Hello friends, in the last two videos we have discussed on functions. Now we have to understand the concepts of the terms local variable and global variable when working with the functions. Let us check with the code. Suppose we have def add underscore number n1 comma n2 colon result is equal to n1 plus n2 print result, and we are calling the function add underscore number 2 comma 3 with the arguments 2 comma 3. Here we call add underscore number function with two arguments 2 and 3 to the parameters n1 and n2. The result variable inside the function takes the values of n1 plus n2 and print the result. Let's check the code. Here the function name is wrong. That's why. So if we stop the code and once again run the code, the result is 5. We do not want to get the output from inside the function. Here from inside the function, the print function is giving the output as 5 from the variable result. So we delete the print result, that statement, and we want to call it from outside of the function. Let's check what is happening here. If we run the code, there is an error, that is built-in dot name error. Name result is not defined because the result variable is not declared outside of the function. So here the concept of local variable comes in. The variable which is created inside a function is local to it, as here result variable inside the function add underscore number is local variable of the function. When function ends, the local variable result is destroyed. So we can use the return statement here to avoid the error. We are adding the code return result, and here we have another variable, that is output, and finally we are getting the output with the help of print function. So now if we run the code, we are getting the output as 5. Now what is global variable? Any variable that is created outside of the function is called the global variable. We can use the global variable from inside and outside of the function. Let's check with the code. At first we are deleting all the codes from here. We have a variable message, and that one is hello friends. Then we are defining a function, that is hello. colon print message, and we are calling the hello function. Here message is a global variable and defined outside of the hello function, and we can use it anywhere after it is defined. Let's run the code and we are getting hello friends. Now check what would happen if we define the same variable named as message inside the function. Message is equal to hello friends, def hello, and in between that we have a variable that is message, and here suppose we are giving it as inside the string. Now we are calling the hello, and after that another print statement that is message. So here at that moment we have two message variable. One is global, another one is local. Now if we run the code, inside and hello friends, let's check what is happening here. Now when hello is called, it is replacing the message variable, which is local variable, to the function with the global variable message. That one message is the local and that one was the global. So once again it is replacing the message variable, which is local variable, to the function with the global variable message, which is outside of the function. That one is printed here at first and we are getting the output as inside. Then the code goes to the next statement after function call. That means that statement print, and print message global variable content. That one is the hello friends, and we are getting the output as hello friends. If we need to change the global variable inside the function, we can achieve this by using the keyword global. Let's change the code. Message is equal to hello friends, def hello. Now that before message is equal to inside, here we are using the keyword global and we have global message. Then the remaining code is unchanged. Now let's check the output. As we have assigned the global keyword inside the function, that is global message, with the message variable, so the content of the message global variable changed to inside. Always remember, it is always better to avoid the global keyword inside the function unless need, because it is making the program more complex. Moreover, it is always better to not use the same name of variable as local and global to avoid the complexity of the code. So, a variable defined inside a function is local to it. When the function ends, the local variable is destroyed. A variable defined outside the function is global and accessible from anywhere of the code. Inside function, the global keyword can be used to change the value of a variable in global scope.